Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. More unintended consequences of burning in excess of 96 million metric tons daily of heat-trapping, climate-altering, subsidized fossil fuels. Welcome to an overheated world with simmering Pacific Ocean temperatures and the strongest ever recorded hurricane barreling closer and closer to Mexico. 200-mile-per-hour winds, torrential rains. Hurricane Patricia is a monster and potentially catastrophic landfall in southwest Mexico late this afternoon or early this evening. The mother of all hurricanes is expected to retain its Category 5 status through to landfall. OMG! Patricia has potential to cause massive death and destruction over a large swath of Mexican Pacific coastline, including tourist hotspots Puerto Vallarta and Acapulco. The only comparable hurricane in intensity might be Hurricane Camille, 1969, U.S. Gulf Coast. Patricia is stronger than Hurricane Andrew, 1992, and Katrina in 2005. It has already eclipsed both of those hellacious hurricanes in the weight of air above the system, which is the key measurement of any storm's strength. At 880 millibars, it's the lowest of any tropical cyclone globally in over 30 years. It's comparable to Typhoon Haiyan, which hit the Philippines in 2013, leaving 6,000 dead and almost 2,000 unaccounted for. 195-mile-per-hour winds. It recorded the lowest ever typhoon, cyclone, or hurricane pressure at 870 millibars. 1,780 emergency shelters have been set up in Mexico. 50,000 strong government workers are mobilized. 4,000 Navy officers have been dispatched. Up to 20 inches, almost 2 feet in some spots of rainfall are predicted. Life-threatening flash floods and mudslides are also expected. Reckon that this just might get the attention. Do you think this snuck onto the radar screen of the climate negotiators soon to meet in Bonn, Germany, and then later next month at the Paris climate talks? The answer, in part, ladies and gentlemen, is a no-brainer. And the fossil fuel subsidies that, according to the International Monetary Fund, are $5.6 trillion annually around the world. We can expect more wild weather as Earth heats up. Stand by. #LoveNature is the solution. Earthcast SOS needs your help and hand. Come on to drreese.com, Reese, R-E-E-S-E, drreese.com, and make it happen. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.